Okay, we have a Poreba heavy-duty engine lathe, model TPK90A4M, which is 4 meter. It's 36.5-inch swing by 160-inch centers. It has a removable gap, which has 49 inches capacity, 2 steady rests, follow rests, Sony 2-axis digital readout, 4-drawer chuck. We're gonna run her for you. Machine's also 30 horsepower, by the way. All right, we're running at a low RPM right now. Machine has from 9 to 900 RPM. That's forward and reverse. Hardened and ground bedways, by the way. It's a faster speed. Forward and reverse. Two-speed motor. And that's a pretty high RPM. So again, you've seen a bunch of different things. Now we're going to run some feeds and threads. We're feeding. See on the digital readout. It's reverse on the carriage. You can see it on the digital readout as well. Cross slide. You can see again on the digital readout. You could also reverse the cross slide on the carriage. He's reversed it. Now it's going the other direction. Power top slide. That's how you do taper turning with the power top slide. Okay. Rapid traverse. It's a 4-way actually a 6-way rapid, but you're going to do cross slide. Okay. We're going to run the TAILSTOCK. Well, also we're going to try threading too. Threading. Yep. That's the QUILL of the TAILSTOCK. TAILSTOCK's number 6 Morse taper. It's 5 1/8 diameter with 11.7 inches of cross slide of TAILSTOCK spindle travel. He's engaging the lead screw. Lead screw is turning. It's the half nut and threading. We are threading. So you've seen it thread, you've seen it feed, you've seen it rapid, you saw a variety of different speeds. Again, this is a 36 by 160 Poreba gap bed engine lathe with 49 in the gap. You have 6-way power to the carriage and compound. And hey, thank you for watching our video.